Produced and published by South Asian Academic Publications. Introduction. India and Russia have a long-standing relationship that traces its origins back to the Soviet era. What began as a strategic and political alliance during the Cold War has evolved into a multi-dimensional partnership, encompassing defense, nuclear energy, space cooperation, and economic trade. Despite significant geopolitical changes since the collapse of the Soviet Union, both nations have maintained strong ties, balancing their historical alliance with new global realities. The study examines the history of India-Russia relations, significant milestones, and the evolving dynamics of their partnership in the 21st century. It also explores the key challenges and areas of cooperation that define the contemporary bilateral relationship between these two major global players. Review of literature. The study of Indo-Russian relations has attracted scholarly attention from political analysts, historians, and international relations experts. The literature on this topic can be divided into three broad areas: historical analysis, defense cooperation, and contemporary challenges. 1. Historical perspective. Scholars such as Gupta, 1997, 1, and Rao, 2002, have emphasized the significance of the Indo-Soviet strategic alliance during the Cold War. Gupta, 1997. 2. Highlights the 1971 Indo-Soviet Treaty as a landmark event that strengthened military and political ties, while Rao, 2000, explores the industrial and technical cooperation that helped India's development. 3. Defense cooperation. Several studies, including Joshi, 2013, 3, and Raghavan, 2021, 4, underscore the critical role of defense in India-Russia relations. Joshi, 2013, particularly focuses on the joint development of the BrahMos missile, while Raghavan, 2021, analyzes Russia's continued dominance as India's top arms supplier. 4. Contemporary challenges. Post-Cold War analyses, such as Sengupta, 2018, 5, and Srinivasan, 2022, 6, focus on the shifts in global geopolitics that have affected India-Russia relations. Sengupta, 2018, delves into how India's growing relationship with the United States has introduced new complexities, while Srinivasan, 2022, discusses India's neutral stance in the context of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Objectives of the study. The primary objectives of this study are to trace the historical evolution of India-Russia relations from the Soviet era to the present, to analyze the key sectors of cooperation, including defense, energy, and space, that define India-Russia ties, to explore the impact of global geopolitical changes on India-Russia relations, especially in the context of India's growing ties with Western powers, to examine the challenges and opportunities in maintaining a strong partnership in the current international climate, to provide recommendations on how India and Russia can further strengthen their bilateral relationship, especially in trade and technological cooperation.